Hey civil engineers, welcome to my channel Civil Unboxing. In this video I will show you the step-by-step process of Farma volume calculation, where we will cover the topics of what is Farma or measuring box and its volume calculation in cubic feet and liters step by step. So let's unbox the topic first without wasting any time. So basically Farma is used in any construction work which is technically known to us as measuring box or bucket. Farma is local name used in India. This type of measuring box is used for measuring the required quantity of sand, cement or aggregates before mixing the concrete or mortar in cubic feet or in liters. This Farma box is made of either iron metal or wooden ply. We designed the size of Farma by taking into consideration of mix ratio of concrete which will be used during concrete casting. Therefore, we assume that we are having the requirement of M25 concrete at site. And as we know, the mix ratio of concrete is M25, which is equal to 1:1:2, where 1 shows the quantity of cement, 1 shows for sand or fine aggregates, and 2 is for the coarse aggregate. For designing the size of Farma, we have to choose the cement content volume only. We know that one bag or 50 kg of cement having the volume of 0.0347 cubic meter or 1.225 cubic feet. So here we know to justify the volume we must have 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height in feet unit. Now we break the volume of one bag of cement content into 3 dimensions. They are length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is 1 feet by 1 feet by 1.22 feet. So we are breaking the 1.22 feet into inches and we got as 1 feet by 1 feet multiplied by 1 feet 2.7 inch, which is equals to 1.225 cubic feet, which satisfies the volume of Farma for one portion of cement. Similarly, for one portion of sand means 1.225 cubic feet of sand, and for 2 portion of aggregates we have to add 2 times of 1.225 or 2.45 cubic feet of coarse aggregate. Now for knowing the volume of the designed Farma in liters, we just have to multiply 1.225 cubic feet with 28.317, which will show the volume of 34.688 or approx 35 liters, which is quite simple. So I hope by this concept everyone can design the sizes of Farma or measuring box as per different requirements. So that's it for today. How you got the concept, please let me know by commenting below in the comment box. And if you think that something you have learned from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Catch you in the next civil unboxing topic. Till then, thank you all.